Baxfoot readers, welcome to another video. Now this time, I'm going to be talking about something that is trending, something that is new, and something that I think will be of interest to you. So in today's episode, it's not like a jokey type of jovial situation. We're gonna talk about some serious things. So a couple days ago, there was a video that surfaced online with a brother. It looked like, in the country area, with a brother and I guess it's his girlfriend, and they got into quite a scuffle and things got physical. Now, I can't show on the video because of, YouTube strips, but I'll play the audio and I'll describe what was happening in it. And if you want to go and see it, you can head over to Wally British Instagram page. The video is posted there as well. But yeah,
You stop here, you. You feel like you feel like they're laughing you. You don't want to deal with you. Hello. Go for your thing, man.
No, stop it, man.
No, say nothing to me, no, say nothing to me. What you doing? I'm going to fling one lick before.
Hello, young man.
But talk to God.
No, not deal with this, sir. Young man, don't do that. No, young man. Hello. Don't deal with this, young man.
Which our best movie coward.
Alright, so I guess I'm going to just reserve my comments right there. So you see, after the video that got posted, whole heap of people start to share it left, right and center on Twitter, on Instagram, on Facebook. And I was just, thinking, say, okay, maybe the police are going to come in and make an arrest. But then I went and looked on Instagram again and I saw this video. No, he actually uploaded this talking about the whole entire ordeal and the situation.
Alright, as you can see, me and my woman, my girlfriend, we're from 2018. Today is my birthday, which is 2020. March 19, my birthday, my strong. So this is my happy birthday gift. I don't know what's going on, but some blogger take up the thing for personal and see. That is a simple video clip what we are trying to send out. But it never supposed to reach at that way. It was a little drama thing, but it get too serious. So if you was, I apologize. It's nothing serious. It's just a piece of video clip we were making, and a video kind of get away because me and she went in a little altercation. You understand? A little misunderstanding because we love each other deeply. See her, she can't even talk for herself.
I really love him for true.
So we look into enough things. But I don't know who do this or who put up some certain things to sing me, Global Legend, which Global Legend, name Kevin Rutherford, this is me and my woman Colleen Smith, and she live together. As you can see, we love each other deeply, and the local video will go viral.
Also, I love him same way too.
The video will go viral. We apologize to every viewers. That would just a little slice or clip. Music video where I put some little pieces together because if you go on the internet, YouTube right now, Global Legend, just type in Global Legend. If you spell a legend, L-E-G-E-N, not D. It's spelled like a name, Legend, just global space and legend. Yeah, and we see all of my songs and thing because we are doing 33 mixtape. Within the time of May, everything will be out there for you to see more about Global Legend. Yes, Mr. Larry is one of my hit songs also, so viewers, don't take this personal because everything we're seeing right now is all about
No, you tell me no. You legit bringing this woman into this situation, record her, and you can look on the girl's face. You can look on the girl's face and know that she does not want to be with it. She does not want to be in that video. There's no love there. And instead of you going, you apologize and for basically say like, yo, you were wrong for this situation and you're going to try for the better and see if you can go in for counseling, even if it is just for the public. You take that moment to come and promote your own damn self. You took that moment that you're supposed to take to apologize to the girl. You chose to go and suck out for your tongue and show say, yo, everything is peaceful. And the whole country knows say it's not peaceful. We don't even know the girl after you got through now that everybody there under isolation and you and her after stay home every single day now. You take the moment for you promote your own mixtape, your own music when nobody even give two shits about right now. And you think so that makes sense? Sometimes I just think to some people before them have pitney, man. Before them have pitney, them for just like the whole situation just hurt me. And the girl is there, and then we start to think that maybe the girl is not even financially independent, where she have enough strength and understanding for know so she can survive on her own. I'm also wonder who the girl mother and father. Who is this girl's sister and brother? Nobody in the community can't even save her. And to the people them who they run and they record it, they take one woman, one big woman after a plea for the girl, for the girl to be let go.
Hello, young man. Young man.
But talk to God.
No, not even.
I have the person who are record say them try already and them can't do nothing. How about part them? I mean, me not tell you say, yo, I don't know if this man is a bad man where he might come try to harm you afterwards and so you're going to endanger your life. But at least we separate them. It's a simple little measure like that. It not take nothing much. Like, I just don't understand what is going on. Why do people believe as if your woman or your partner is your possession? And you call the girl youth? Somebody where you lay down with? That's supposed to be your woman, where you're supposed to love? And you're going to take your hand and you're going to come go on like say some Lennox Lewis type of Mike Tyson type of Evander Holyfield type of settings you're under. And you're going to come back and think so because you're the one little old patois kiss, that means everything better? The better man and a youth, they're not supposed to have no friend. He's not supposed to have not even one friend. Because all them friends, I'm supposed to distance him like say a corona, I'm having a walk around and I give people. You're supposed to social distancing from now till thine kingdom come. How you feel something like that have enough? You have enough confidence to even show your face on social media and promote yourself when you're supposed to dip on your knee and ask a girl for forgiveness? And what people are saying, and I think what the British mentioned on our page too, is that literally the police can't even do nothing because if the girl don't want personal charges against him, there's nothing that can be done. And the man know it. He probably knows that the girl's safi and do not have enough courage but she can stand on her own. That is why he can take her and have her as one piece of mannequin or figurine on social media like that. And for no say it's not she's the only woman in Jamaica who have to be living like this. A whole heap of other woman about it. And if a woman alone, man, I go through them something here too. Them situation here is just like, yo, come on, man. People been abusing people from way back when until now. And me get it. But you at least hope. So you have enough sense up here, so you see a video go like that, the first thing you do is apologize. And say, yo, I'm sorry, I'm going to see how we can do better. Two, we can't fight off each other like this every day. You come and you make a little fool apology and then go to social media and force one kiss. And the rest of the seconds on the video, you're there promoting your own self and music.
Legend, just global space and legend. Yeah, and you will see all of my songs and thing because we are doing 33 mixtape.
I don't even know if we talk about them something because honestly, I'm just there and I don't know why me even I get upset. Because worse, me just there under this quarantine type of life where me have to just stay home and it's just like already as a country I have to deal with the effects, the global impacts of this pandemic, COVID. So it's like me don't want nothing else for you go on. We already have that to deal with. Just try to quell with the murder, quell with the violence, and just see how we can just overcome this thing. At least, man. And to the girl in the video and the other girls that are out there, and go listen to the Taurus Riley song. Some hurt me, no one. Cause somebody sister think come here, I think if somebody forgot this, hey. All I can say, if that girl have friends, if you can jump in and try to take her away and give her some sort of strength and give her some knowledge where she can understand her own worth and her own value, and I really appreciate that who close to her. And for the youth, for him bridging them, sit down and give him a reasoning. Sit down and give him a reason because we don't believe that everybody just get up and feel like they want evil and wicked stuff. So I hope that there is somebody that him probably respect, we can have a conversation with him and just say like, yo, the little apology, the little thing the way you do never make no sense. There's a better way where you can understand and deal with things. Conflict resolution is actually a thing. Learn it, read it, understand it, and know exactly how to go about and ask for forgiveness. But don't try to do like a patch up things like when government and road broke up and then just run over it and give one little quick fix up and tomorrow morning it gone right back. You can't flex them with your relationships, them man. Anyway, Berrydos, that is it for right now. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, and you know the whole entire stress. But if there's any updates on this story, I'll try to update you. But if you want to see the video and the video in detail, go and check out Wally British Instagram. It is there, and yeah, that's it. You know what? And that's all I have to say. Peace out, Berrydos.
You can see me and my woman, my girlfriend. We're from 2018. Today is my birthday, which is 2020. March 19, my birthday, my strong. So this is my happy birthday gift. I don't know what going on, but some blogger take up the thing, but personal and see. That is a simple video clip what we are trying to send out. You know? But it never supposed to reach at that way. It was a little drama thing, but it get too serious. So viewers, I apologize. It's nothing serious, it's just a piece of video clip we are making. And